Hello cybersecurity enthusiasts, can you feel the excitement in the air? Infosecurity Europe 2024 is just around the corner and we can't wait for it to start. This year's event is happening from June 4th to 6th at Excel London and it's going to be incredible. Infosecurity Europe isn't just one of the biggest cybersecurity events of the year, it's the place to be for anyone passionate about information security. The event brings together the industry's leading cybersecurity professionals to share their experiences and support others in overcoming network security challenges. This is the perfect opportunity for you to connect with experts and suppliers alike to find solutions that meet your needs. Get ready for over 200 conferences, workshops, and talks spread across 9 different stages. Whether you're into strategy talks, interviews, case studies, or tech showcases, there's something for everyone. Plus, there are over 380 exhibitors where you can discover and test the latest products. And let's not forget about the amazing network opportunities. This is your chance to meet visitors, speakers, media reps, and exhibitors from all over the world. We are super excited to announce that Heimdal will also be at Infosecurity Europe 2024. Make sure you drop by our booth at stand D140. Here is what you can look forward to. Free coffee on us. Start your day with a complimentary coffee from Heimdal is the perfect way to fuel up for the exciting day ahead. From the very first day, meet our Chief Enchantment Officer. Ever wondered if your security could withstand a mine penetration test? This is your chance to find out. Our Chief Enchantment Officer is the most prestigious member of the Inner Magic Circle, so you're in for a real test. Intrigued? Come see us at stand D140. Don't miss our 30-minute live demos showcasing our threat detection and prevention tools. Plus, you'll have the opportunity to chat with Heimdal's cybersecurity experts. It's a great chance to get some valuable insights and practical advice. You definitely won't want to miss Ross Duncan and Imran Rai. Ross, our experienced post-sales leader, will talk about how to maximize the value of your security investments. Then Imran, a success-focused executive with more than 20 years in cybersecurity and IT, will demonstrate how to prevent ransomware attacks live. It's going to be explosive. We're also covering some hot topics at stand D140, such as navigating privileged access to admin or not to admin, mastering patch management, time is of the essence, and DNS security, the first line of defense. Mark your calendars, we'll see you from Tuesday 4th to Thursday 6th of June 2024 at Excel London, stand D140 for an unforgettable experience.